My name is Sarah Schlichter. I'm a registered dietitian. I have a master's in public health, and I'm a mom of 3. I have been wanting to start this channel for a while. My goal is to help parents reduce stress in the kitchen. And we can do that in so many ways because let's face it, feeding kids is hard, it's stressful, it can take a lot of time, and there's some frustration when maybe they don't eat anything that you cooked. Nutritious options to feed your little ones. You ready? Or lunchbox comes back from school empty again, or you just plate a meal that you've spent so much time on in front of your kids and they just send it back and don't eat it at all. We're gonna tackle all of these topics. And if you want some answers in the meantime, you've gotta check out my podcast. It's called Managing Mealtime Madness. We go through all different scenarios and we talk to other experts in the field to help reduce the stress. But today we are going to talk about and share some easy breakfast options to feed your toddlers. Now these will work in all stages of life, whether you're doing baby-led weaning, there's adjustments and modifications we can make, toddlers, young kids. We're gonna share 3 easy recipes. Some aren't even recipes, but they are balanced, nutritious options to feed your little ones. You ready? The first is overnight oats. Now, I love anything that's oat-based because oats are a great source of fiber. They offer some protein and tons of micronutrients. So for overnight oats, I like to start with 1 to 2 cups of oats. I put them in some mason jars or these overnight oat jars, which I've linked below. You can add your liquid of choice, whether it's dairy milk or dairy-free. I also love to add chia seeds, flax seeds, or hemp seeds for extra nutrition. Next, we're going to add a scoop of yogurt, Greek yogurt for extra protein and probiotics. I'll either use full fat plain or this is a lower sugar vanilla cinnamon that I really like. And then we'll top it with some fruit. And this can be seasonal if you like to do berries in the summer, maybe pumpkin puree in the winter, pomegranate seeds. It's really delicious. And then you're just going to cover it, give it a shake, and put it in the fridge so it's ready the next morning. Our next balanced breakfast option for toddlers and really the whole family is going to be some egg bites. Now these are frozen egg bites from Costco, which we love for convenience. Of course, you can also make your own. I've linked some of the egg bite recipes below. I like to serve with fruit and either some dry cereal or a piece of toast for some carbohydrates. Whole grain would be preferable, and you can serve with milk or liquid of choice. Another option is just doing toast on its own. So I like to mix it up. So sometimes we'll do 1 avocado toast. Avocados are full of such healthy fats and fiber. Both nutrients are very important for toddlers and they help keep them full. And I'll often do a peanut butter or almond butter toast here. I'm putting bananas on top, and I'll often put hemp seeds or flax seeds or chia seeds, going back to those little seeds that provide ample nutrition. This is a great balanced breakfast on its own. And of course, I always like to serve with some seasonal fruit too. The next breakfast idea, this isn't really a recipe, but you can cater it up to how your kids like it, is a Greek yogurt parfait. So I love the plain full-fat Greek yogurt. I try not to use too much sweeteners or sugar with my kids, so we can sweeten it with other things. So in this case, we're going to do peanut butter powder. So we're getting that peanut butter flavor, but also adding protein. This peanut butter powder is great and it mixes pretty seamlessly. So I'm going to mix that with the Greek yogurt, and then we're going to add our toppings. We go with fruit often, and again, back to those chia seeds, flax seeds, hemp seeds. I just buy them in bulk and really throw them on everything. Sometimes I'll add some sprinkles for some fun color and a little sweetness for the kids. Again, we want food to be fun and enticing. Check the comments for all of those recipes and make sure to like and subscribe to get updated when the next video comes out. See you next time.